Court appointments, how do they work? Well, there are several different courts that appoint attorneys in several different areas of practice. I have been on court appointed lists for a number of years. So let me go through some of them. Inside of a divorce, husband versus wife, wife versus husband. If there are children, the court can appoint an attorney for the child. It's called an AFC, attorney for the child. That's by court appointment. Most frequently, the judge will make an order directing a payment and an hourly fee. That could be paid for on a pro rata share. So it could be if one spouse is the moneyed spouse, that person could pay 100% and the other spouse pays 0. Or it could be 50-50 or 70-30 or whatever pro rata share that there is. So that's in the context of a divorce. That's an AFC. Now, also in the Supreme Court, a person could be appointed a GAL, a guardian ad litem, and that could be inside of a divorce as well, or a foreclosure, or a civil litigation. The court will appoint a guardian ad litem in certain circumstances pursuant to a list. And on that list, you have to have specialized training and or experience and combination of both. Also in the surrogates court, you can be appointed a guardian ad litem. What else? There are entire ranges of, I don't think that's the way to say it. In the family court, there are attorneys that are assigned counsel and they're ready and available to appear on behalf of litigants, both parents, husband or wife for a custody case, or boyfriend and girlfriend, paramours in family offense petition, representing persons defending themselves against neglect and abuse allegations. In the family court, persons are assigned to both adult litigants and children. So there's an AFC in many different types of cases in the family court. Custody, Article 10, abuse and neglect, orders of protection. That's from a list of attorneys inside of the family court. They're called assigned counsel. In the Supreme Court, if a person is involved in a divorce and they are indigent and they need representation for the custody and visitation portion of the case, a court can appoint an attorney to represent that litigant, parent, husband, dad, father, wife, mother, and represent that person in their pursuit of custody or visitation. Those are the various court. If you need me, you can't. Interestingly enough, I think if you appear in court, you cannot, and you're indigent or the court is going to appoint someone, I don't believe that you can actually request an attorney. It's pursuant to a court list. I think in a democratic fashion, the court will go in succession. So if they have a list of 100 attorneys, I'm going to use alphabetically because I don't know how the list is made. I don't know if it's seniority or alphabetical, and they'll pick, let's number them. It's done alphabetically, but then there's numbers. So the first attorney on the list, second attorney, third, fourth, fifth, 98th, 99th, 100th, and then they'll go back to the first. And I think it might be periodically I'll get a call or an email. I'll say, Mr. Bruno, are you available for assignment? We're looking to provide this parent and attorney in custody. Are you available on the next date, 3 weeks from now or 6 weeks from now? I recently got appointed to a case where there's, I think, an April 4th date. I was appointed in another case. There's a May date. And if it fits my schedule, accept the assignment. If I find this interesting, if I can do rewarding work. So I'm going to be representing in one of these cases I just mentioned, a parent seeking visitation in custody. I don't want to share too. And actually, I don't know too much. I just was appointed the case and I have to meet with the client and learn about the case. And I like that portion of my work. I like to meet people. I like to find out their facts, their circumstances, find out about their life and help them achieve what they're looking for. If you'd like to hire me, you have to pay me. Does that make sense? You can't get me appointed, but come on in. I'll give you a consultation. We'll discuss your issues and we'll go from there.